So in devices and networks, if I go over here, there are three different views: topology, network, and device view. In device view, we were already working in it. It shows my PLC. Okay, sorry. I'm going to select over here. If I'm using multiple PLC, I can select each PLC since this is device view, and I can zoom it to 200%. Yeah, that's better. You can see my PLC over here. Everything seems fine, everything is okay. It is showing me devices address as well, input and output addresses, analog input addresses. It is not showing an option over here, but we will discuss. And it is showing high speed counter information as well, slot addresses and everything. So if I click over here, it showed we will check on if I click on Ethernet port, it comes over here. So yep, in network view, what happens is, if I add a device, for example, controllers, S7-1200 CPU, 1212C, yep, and I'm dragging over there, I can, yep, and it is connected through my PROFINET interface. Connections means the devices that are connected or accessible to be connected are accessible. And one more thing I wanted to show you, okay, these are devices name which I can obviously change. For example, machine 1 PLC, machine 2 PLC. Okay, yeah, show address labels. So now it is showing me IP address of first PLC, IP address of second PLC. So this is my network view that I can use to connect different devices, to connect them together, or connect them on different network. For example, I'm using 7-inch HMI, come on, and I drag over there. For example, I'm using S7-1500 as well. Right, I can change this network as well just by putting 3 over here. Now this is 192.168.3, that suggests the subnet. That means these both are on the same network, and these both are on the separate network. And the last node parameter shouldn't be the same, because it would be a conflict. Then what I can do is further, if it just allow me, I want to show you something. Ethernet switches, come on, just give me one. So now Okay, now it's working. By clicking on connection, connect to the same subnet, obviously. It is automatically giving me an option, right? So I have connected two networks. I have took one scaling switch as well, which I haven't connected yet. So in network view, I've connected those devices, and in topology view, you can just see the devices like that. For example, I'm using PLC, it shows two connectors over there. In scaling switch, it shows all the ports over here, because this switch works on one single network that's over here, but it has different ports to be connected. So the topology view actually shows the actual connection between these devices, and network view shows the network based connections. And since we connect these devices to a network, we join over there, and we can make actual connections over here as well. Come on. So only this one is currently online. So because I can only use one PLC sim over here, so it is showing me the status over here. So you can use a topology view to troubleshoot it, and we will further check it in advanced programming.